Hello people, thank you so much for stopping by this video. This video I'm creating in order to answer a question from one of our community members. His name is Kazi, and his question was how to get high ticket consultation clients. So I'll be answering that question in this short video. I hope you can see my mind map over here. So I'll be giving both long-term and short-term strategy in order to get high ticket clients. Okay. In first case I'll assume कि आपके पास time and resources हैं. Okay. Long term means anything beyond 6 months or 1 year is long term. Or second case will assume that you don't have much time. Okay, so let's assume आपके पास सिर्फ 30 दिन है और you need to pay your bills, you need to get the cash flow on your way. So I'll be giving a bonus tip for that as well. So let's get into the mind map. And first the concept. This high ticket consultation or high ticket clients funnel works for the service that are above 50,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so that should be the budget of this funnel. And first we'll get into the long-term strategy, and the first step is to generate leads. You can generate leads by getting traffic from Facebook ads or Google ads if you have a budget for that. अगर आपके पास budget नहीं है, so you have organic option as well via social media, platforms, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. You can create content and build your influence organically. Definitely ये time taking process है, but it works best because we are assuming you have time in this model. And there is another interesting option to generate organic leads is by doing influencer marketing. अब इसमें क्या होता है कि you need to build a list of let's say 100 influencer in your niche. So for the sake of convenience we'll assume कि इस funnel में you are having a business of giving digital marketing service, and in that also you are using video marketing as a tool to give the service. So just for the sake of recording this video I am taking this example, but आपका जो भी business है, जो भी service है, आप उसको replace कर सकते हो. Okay, so you are a digital marketing agency and your one thing is video marketing. Coming back to the mind map, so you can generate traffic from ads, from organic marketing on social media, YouTube, and you can also partner up with influencers, okay, and attract their leads into your business. So make a list of 100 influencers and start interviewing them, start engaging with their content, and this is how you can get their traffic in your way. That is the first step. Once you generate lead, you need a platform or a page where you can capture that lead, okay, into your lead management system. And the best way to capture the lead on your landing page is to give something for free. So for example, we took example of digital marketing agency. So here you are giving a service to create a video marketing. Okay, so you can create a freebie like a 30 or 40 page ebook giving tutorial on video marketing, or you can create a free masterclass giving basics of video marketing. Any valuable thing you can give for free. You can even create a podcast. Okay, so आपको कुछ ना कुछ फ्री में देना पड़ेगा and against that freebie they will give their name, email ID, contact number, all that. That's how you capture the lead. Third step is to conduct a survey. This is very important step to take note of, because if you're working with high ticket clients, you don't want to work with everybody. So you need to ensure that you're working with quality clients, and you also need to ensure that you have a authority while dealing with such clients. Okay, so that is why you need to filter out clients through a survey form. You can use a simple Google form for that matter, it's free. Okay, and survey questions, what all criterias you want to fulfill your clients to work with you, you need to ask those questions. For example, their budget, okay, their value system. So the bottom line is you need to resonate with the clients. That is how you can give them best value against their against your fees. So do a survey, filter out the clients, and once you have a database of qualified leads, you can schedule a one-to-one call with your sales team through Calendly, Zoom, Google Calendar. We have free options. Okay, and once you schedule the call, the last step is the closure call. Okay, so in the call you can go in depth about what kind of service you provide, how you can help them to maximize the profit, get their business to the next level, and once that is done, you do the closure and collect the payment. So these are the steps as a part of your long-term strategy to get high ticket clients. Now let's assume that you are on short notice time. Let's assume आपके पास सिर्फ 30 दिन है. So 30 दिन में, if you're just getting started, you don't have any resource, any budget, and definitely you don't have time. So here's the bonus tip for you. This is what I did when I started, and it works amazingly well. First step is to pick a niche market. Okay, so if you are on a timeline, you cannot serve everybody. Anyways, I don't recommend you guys to serve everybody. If you're serving everybody, you're serving nobody. So pick a niche. For example, I will just take example of let's say you want to give a video marketing service to coaches. In coaches also, let's take example of business coaches. So that's how you can pick a niche market. Then make a list of things that business is doing wrong where you can help. Okay, go to their social media platforms, go to their website, and figure out what all gaps they are having that you can fulfill with the help of your video marketing service. Once you make a list, send a mail to the list. Okay, send a mail to a list, a personalized mail, where you can tell that this is what I do, and I just gave a cursory look to your website or your social media profile. This is what is lacking, and if we work together, I can help you to solve this problem. Okay, and one more thing that you will do that is different from your competitors, which most of the time nobody does, is to record a video like this, what I'm doing right now. You can record a screen share. You can screen share and record a video where you can exactly show them the gaps and how you can solve that problem through your video marketing service. Okay, video marketing, just an example, I'll repeat. You can put any service over here or product also. And what you need to do, you need to send 10 mails daily for next 30 days. We are assuming you have only 30 days for this plan. So ideally the conversion rate is around 10 to 15% for this kind of funnel. So if you are sending 300 emails, okay, so definitely in the best case, if you have a conversion of even 10%, so you can attract number of clients, okay, 15 to 30. But in the worst case, even if you get one client, remember it's a high ticket client, so you can get started and generate revenue. So this is how you attract high ticket client if you have a short term strategy. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any other questions, you can shoot me in the comment below and I'll be happy to answer it. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.